Okay, so here's a quick flow for targeting specifically mixed-use property developers in Sweden. It started with the first name, last name, title, company name, all that standard stuff, but we didn't have the location for some of these companies. So what we use is the scraper, Clayton Scraper, to find all of the locations that the mixed-use property developers operate in or are based out of. And that way we could use that in the outreach messaging, for example. So cases where that didn't happen, you can basically use the scraper agent to do that. Now, what I like to do a lot of the times too is create another column, operation location. So now what we can do with this is we can aggregate the two. So add a merge column, insert right, and I'll go to merge columns. And I want to merge the companies that we had with the companies that we had to go out and find. So we want to use operation location, and then we want to use the one that came default with the data, and just save settings. And it's going to create a new merge column. And then we can rename this column company operations. So what I did is I basically took the locations that we found from the ones that we had and merged those two into a new column, and now we can use that in our outreach. From there, we needed to understand what these companies actually do. So that's kind of the secret, really, is to reach out to the company, basically describing to them what they actually do so they know that it's hyper relevant, and then tying that to the solution. So we pulled all of essentially the descriptions of the companies and what they do, and we got various different company descriptions, and now we have the basis for doing personalized outreach. From there, we looked into what are the sustainability updates in their local municipality or locations that are going on and might be relevant to our offer and to the person's specific job title. So we found a bunch of sustainability initiatives in their different locations. From there, we crafted the outreach message. Essentially, I've come up with messages like these. I've been following company names Impactful Work in Stockholm with the recent push for sustainability, especially initiatives like the sustainability linked loan for Galleria Center SID. I wonder, are you facing challenges balancing energy costs with tenant satisfaction? We help companies like blah, 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 do whatever. So as you can see, it's very much tailored to the company's local municipality and local regulations and things like that are going on. I admire properties committed to sustainable development in Stockholm, especially with mixed use projects. So calling out what they do, mixed use property development in Stockholm, and then what's relevant to them. It's very tailored and personalized, talking about the problem and the challenges that they have, but it's all based upon getting that background data and information on where they located, what does their company do, what are the relevant industry pressures that they're currently under. These things all built into the relevance of the outreach message. So hopefully that was insightful and you can use that in your outreach. And it's been Travis. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.